Welcome back to our channel. Today's story is Beauty and the Beast. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a kind and clever young woman named Belle. She loved to read books and dream of adventures beyond her small village. Her father, Maurice, was a creative inventor who loved her very much. One day, Maurice went on a trip and got lost in a dark forest. He found a spooky, magical castle and went inside to find shelter. What he didn't know was that a strong magic lady had put a spell on the castle and the prince a long time ago. The prince was a bit selfish and had a grumpy heart, so the enchantress turned him into a fearsome beast. The spell also turned the castle's servants into a talking candle and a clock. The beast found Maurice and got very angry. He locked him in the dungeon. When Belle knew, she went to the castle quickly. She offered to take her father's place and become the beast's prisoner so her father could be free. The beast, surprised by her bravery, and agreed. At first, Belle felt scared and alone. The beast was loud and a little scary, and he stayed grumpy most of the time. But the magical servants were very kind and welcoming. They showed Belle her beautiful new room and made her feel at home. Belle soon realized that under the beast's scary look was a sad, lonely heart. She saw that he wasn't truly mean, just lonely. She started to befriend him, sharing stories from her books and helping him learn to be gentle. The beast began to change. He surprised Belle with a huge library filled with books, and they spent hours reading together. They even shared a wonderful dance in the big ballroom. Back in the village, a selfish man named Gaston wanted to marry Belle. When he knew that she was with the beast, he got jealous and brought people to the castle to hurt the beast. The beast was too sad to fight, but Belle knew what to do. She told the villagers that the beast was her friend and that he was kind. Gaston wanted to fight the beast, but the beast did not fight back, showing how much he had changed. Suddenly, the last rose petal from the enchantress's magical rose fell. The spell was about to become permanent. As the beast looked at Belle with so much love and kindness in his eyes, Belle whispered, "I love you." Just then, a beautiful swirling light filled the room. The beast lifted into the air and was transformed back into his handsome, kind prince self. The castle was restored, and all the servants became people again too. The prince and Belle, who had found true love and friendship, lived happily ever after. That's the happy ending of Belle's story. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.